Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited Sport in black clear coat. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, Freedom Top 3-piece hardtop, 2 front tow hooks and 1 rear tow hook, rear window wiper and washer, reclining front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 28,000 miles on the odometer, audio jack input for mobile devices, SiriusXM satellite radio, command track shift on the fly part-time 4-wheel drive, rear 60/40 folding seats, rear compartment covered storage, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 65218.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.